Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really great. I'm going to make this video in English because one of my subscriber friend came here for his hair transplant surgery and he don't know Hindi. He's from, you're from? Okay, so you, okay, so he's from South. Is that okay?
Yeah.
No, he's from South, so he don't know Hindi, so we are going to, proceed with this video in English only. So let me share with you about his story. Before 1 year, he went for surgery. Just see his before pics. He's almost a 7th grade guy, 7th grade baldness guy, and he have chosen a very good hair transplantation clinic and a very branded hair transplantation clinic. Okay, so this is the kind of surgeries he went through, and the surgeries is about 7,000 grafts. Can you imagine 7,000 grafts? And the number of grafts, speaks itself about that how good density he's going to get. And it's a very branded clinic, and they charge around 6 to 7 lakh rupees and medical expenses others. So after 1 year, he got this kind of result, and he's not happy. If you can see, compare us, my head size is bigger than him, and I used, in my last two sessions, I used to get 5,000 graft surgery, and my density, you can just see, much 1,000 times better than his hair transplantation surgery and the result. So 7,000 grafts, it's very much obvious that he is not happy with his hair transplantation result. And when he reached to that clinic that I'm not happy with that this particular hair transplantation result, so they responded that it's a very good result you are getting, and if you need another session, then we will you have to pay another 2-3 lakh rupees, and for 2-3,000 grafts, means overall they can extract 10,000 grafts from a body. Of course, if you use pubic hair, chest hairs, beard hair, you can reach to that particular number. But what about those 7,000 grafts? 7,000 grafts is a very huge number. Right now in my this session which I went through, as you can see, I got almost 1,500 grafts. So almost 6,500 grafts I got implanted on my scalp, and I got a very huge head. Still, my hair transplantation is looking much more, greater than his hair transplantation result, which he went for last year. So what I am trying to say, I completely understand that out of 100 or 1,000 surgeries, 1 or 2 or 3 failures can happen in any clinic. But my question is that if the clinic is so much branded, and even celebrities are going for hair transplant in that particular clinic, how they are misusing their brand name, right? They are, a normal customer who paid so much of money and he is not satisfied with his result, and they are not giving a little bit of discount also. Normally what happens, if this amount of money if any clinic charge in a normal clinic, and the customer is not happy with his result, or he felt that he got a little bit of cheated of grafts. So normally those good clinics, what they do, they will give you free hair transplant for the next time, or they will charge you minimum charges, OT charges, and they will give you free hair transplant. So with this case, the problem is that the clinic, they are not at all, they have not got any kind of sympathy with this particular patient, and after felt cheated on hair transplant, he felt like cheating from hair transplant. He contacted me, and he was in touch with me for around 2 to 3 months. And you want to share something about it?
Yeah, actually I just contacted to Tannu Dada because I'm just watching his videos for many days, like all the videos, and then I contacted him, and then he gave me a nice information, and then I boost back about my confidence.
Have you seen all those my case studies?
Yeah, all I saw it, and then I got the nice clinic which he suggested me.
So what I have shown the disclaimer about the hair transplant. It's a medical procedure. Anything can happen, right? So have you read all those things, right?
Yeah, I read everything.
Proper transparency. You have just gone through proper transparency, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Normally what happens? People show always the good side.
Yeah.
The negative side they don't show it. So he was doing job in the other country. I can't name that country because, as you can know, that I have not mentioned his name, his city, anything like that. Even I blurred his face because he don't want to reveal his identity. So you came here after taking leave and died from that country to Mumbai, right? For your hair transplant.
Yeah.
So as you can see that he got a big FUT scar mark, and already they extracted the clinic before where he got his first hair transplant. They extracted more than 7,000 grafts. After that also, we have extracted around 4,500 grafts, and we, parallelly we both went through the hair transplant. So our result will go on parallel. Let's see whose body response is good or not, and whose result come first. And the next thing is that we extracted around 4,500 grafts, 4,000 from his donor area. So that means 7,000. I don't think so. 7,000 grafts you can extract from this donor area in this first session. Of course, they covered the whole area, but that's not at all 7,000 grafts. He got cheated on grafts. He got cheated on the services. I'm still with that clinic on that yes, failure can happen. Failure can happen. But the problem is that after failure, the patient, the only thing patient can look at, it's the clinic. And the clinic, what they are saying that we will give you another session, just pay me this much amount of money. So it's a pure, unsatisfaction. It's the highest level of unsatisfaction a patient can go through. Why should a patient pay so much of money again when he felt like he got not that amount of result? Again he have to pay the same amount of money. So that's not at all correct thing which happened to my brother. And as I said, that these are not 7,000 grafts, because if that was 7,000 grafts, almost 6,500 grafts extracted from my donor area. Now trust me, you can't extract 1,000. I think so, even 1,000 grafts you can't extract from my donor area. But we extracted around 4,500 grafts, 4,000 from his donor area and 500 from his beard area. So that shows that he was cheated on grafts also. So after 6th month or 5th month, we will see how results come. As I said that we both are going to, our results are going to compare them, right? Yeah. We went on the same day. We went for the surgery. Okay. So anything else you want to say?
Yeah. Now I'm just waiting for these results. Hopefully I will get nice results, because as you can see, the hairline how they just give to me, and they just feel almost over on my head. So hopefully I'll get good results this time.
Okay, so as you can see, just come closer, just see that we just see the head size of his and mine. It's almost twice of my head size, twice of his head size. So and I got almost 6,500 grafts implanted all my during all my surgeries, and he got implanted around 7,000 in his first surgery. That's not possible. So what I'm trying to say that branded clinics, they just misusing their names. All the branded, I'm not talking about all the branded clinics, because which clinic, don't ask me on WhatsApp which clinic. I'm not going to tell you the clinic. Don't ask me on comment section. I'm not going to name the clinic name. But multiple subscribers, there are 2 or 3 subscribers are there who paid so much of money to this particular clinic, and they are not satisfied. Again, I can understand that failure can happen. Failure can happen in any clinic. But after failure, how you are responding to that particular customer, you are just this clinic don't have any kind of sympathy with the patient. Okay, one more thing I need to share with you all guys, that all those marketing which are going on in hair transplantation clinics, or the celebrity, celebrities are there in our clinic, they are coming to our clinic, so he also got attracted from this clinic about all this celebrity thing, and he went to a surgeon who is doing hair transplant on celebrities, and just look at his FUT scar. Just look at his FUT scar after 1 year of his surgery, and such a bad FUT scar he got. One more thing, I am not at all against FUT. You don't misunderstand me that some people are saying that just because you went through FUE then you are criticizing FUT. No, I am not. FUT is very good and fantastic hair transplant procedure, but I always say to people that go for a good surgeon, because if FUT scars, if they just damage your FUT scar, now this kind of scar you are going to get on your donor area. And this is the best of the best clinic. They are charging so much of money, 6-7 lakh rupees, and still he got such a bad FUT scar. That's the reason why people are not choosing FUT nowadays. Again, I am saying I am not against FUT at all. If properly, professionally anyone do FUT, they can give fantastic hair transplant result and very minimum scar. But the problem is that this clinic is a branded clinic, and such a bad hair transplant they did to this guy. Okay, so don't go on a brand value, just go and just, that's why I'm showing all those case studies. You know, must have seen my one fields, two fields, you know, one guy from Kolkata, he went through us one FUT and one FUE, and both the surgeries failed. These are the basically two procedure only, FUT and FUE, and both the surgeries failed. Now what will the impression he had in his mind that
Transplantation is won't work.
yeah, transplantation don't work.
Yeah.
So after that he contacted me and he went through a fantastic hair transplant. He got a fantastic result. So what I'm trying to say that so many options are there in the market. Don't go on a brand name. Just check their strategy. That's why I'm using all those case studies and properly. I'm the only YouTuber who posts this disclaimer that just read out this disclaimer that anything can happen in hair transplantation, but the success rate is 99%. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Please do share this video because it's a very, you know, I'm going one of the best video on my channel because you know, 6 lakh 7 lakh surgery versus around 1 lakh surgery, right?
Yeah.
He paid around 1 lakh for his hair transplantation. So let's see, hope for the best. And can you tell our subscriber to like, subscribe in our channel?
Please like and subscribe for Tannu Dada.
Okay, chalo, thank you very much. Like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, take care.